boiling point composition diagram. The type first of boiling point composition diagram. Here both diagram are in front of you. Is the vapor pressure composition diagram. This boiling point composition diagram is opposite of the vapor pressure composition diagram. This is the vapor pressure when the component have a pure vapor pressure of component is low, its boiling point is high, and then the binary consider the binary liquid mixture of component A and B. The vapor pressure of pure component P0A and P0B, and then vapor pressure of liquid is intermediate between the P0A and P0B. Then component B is more volatile than component A. Then opposite, when the vapor pressure is smaller, its boiling point is higher. Then here the boiling point of the T0 is greater than the boiling point of TA is the boiling point of component TA is greater than or higher than the boiling point of component B, and then boiling point of solution of all composition are in between them. Suppose this is a TB and TA, then the boiling point of all composition in between the pure boiling point of pure component A and B. The vapor is always richer in more volatile component than component, hence the vapor composition curve lies below the liquid composition curve in case of the vapor pressure composition diagram. But in boiling point composition diagram, the vapor pressure composition curve lies above the liquid composition curve. So the vapor above the boiling point is richer in more volatile component in type first. Then in type second, it shows a positive deviation in vapor pressure composition diagram, but in boiling point composition diagram it shows a negative deviation minimum. It have a higher vapor pressure, it have a maximum vapor pressure, it shows a minimum boiling point. Non-ideal mixture of type second exhibits a vapor pressure composition curve, hence the boiling point composition curve is the minimum obtained as a point D, and then the liquid mixture of composition C exhibits a maxima. Liquid point C exhibits a maxima in vapor pressure composition curve, and then the boiling point of pure component is TA and TB, but the boiling point is below the pure A and pure B, and then it's the pure component X, TA 0A and T0 B. The vapor composition curve lies below the liquid composition, lies above the liquid composition curve, and then type third shows a positive deviation from ideal behavior, and in vapor composition curve it shows a negative deviation from ideal behavior. Then non-ideal composition of type third shows a minimum in vapor pressure composition curve and maximum in boiling point composition. This is a minimum in vapor pressure composition curve, maximum in boiling point composition curve, hence maxima in curve in boiling point composition curve diagram, maxima in boiling point curve, vapor composition curve, the liquid richer in more volatile component, thence the vapor composition curve lies above the liquid composition curve. Thus in general, non-ideal mixture of different type or vapor pressure curve lies above the liquid composition curve in PX diagram, while in boiling point composition curve shows the maxima, and then this different composition in between them is known as also azeotropic mixture in vapor pressure composition curve. Then we are going to see what is mean of azeotropes. In exam, just like question asking, write short note on azeotropes. Azeotropes is a liquid mixture of type second and type third in vapor pressure composition curve, deviation from Raoult's law. The liquid mixture shows a positive deviation in boiling point composition curve and maxima. Then liquid mixture of type third shows negative deviation from Raoult's law, exhibits minimum vapor pressure curve and maxima in boiling point composition curve, and such a liquid mixture exhibits a maxima in boiling point composition curve, cannot be separated completely into each other into the pure component by fractional distillation at the point of maxima, and then the liquid vapor pressure composition curve is tangential to each other, meet to each other at points D, hence the liquid and the vapor has the same composition when liquid appear boils without change in composition, and hence it is a maxima, cannot be separated by fractional distillation. Such a minimum and maximum constant boiling point liquid mixture with boils without change in composition is called as azeotrophs. And then the azeotropic mixture, there are also two types of azeotropic mixture. Some azeotropic mixture which shows minimum boiling point composition or some diagram. Some types shows the maximum in boiling point composition diagram. For example, first azeotropic mixture with minimum boiling point composition diagram: water, ethanol, carbon tetrachloride, ethyl alcohol. Azeotropic mixture with maximum boiling point: water, HCl, water, nitric acid. Like pure azeotrope boils at constant temperature and constant pressure without change in composition. When external pressure is changes, then composition of azeotropes will be changed, and hence the azeotropes are not single component of definite composition. Azeotropes is always mixture of liquids and which acquire stability and fix the composition due to intermolecular force of attraction present between the molecules of liquid. Then how to separate the azeotropes? There are some methods for separating the azeotropes or technique to separate the azeotropes. The one of the component of azeotropes may be removed by washing with proper solvent. One of the components are soluble in proper solvent, then that use a solvent and then wash, then one soluble component are separate out and non-soluble component is remains in the reservoir. Then solvent must be the selected such that the liquid to be purified, while the liquid to be removed must be completely soluble in solvent, while other component is insoluble. By this method, azeotropes like benzene, ethanol is purified, because ethanol is highly soluble in water and trace of water is removed from the benzene. Suppose trace of water is remains with benzene, can be removed by sodium wire, and then pure and dry benzene and ethanol is obtained, and dehydrating agent calcium carbonate or chloride is used. It is non-reactive with ethanol and or benzene, and then sometime it is convenient to break azeotrope solution by distilling under high pressure. This is the second method for but this method has a limited application. Then this the azeotrope, the component present in azeotropic mixture can be separated by using the fractionating column. On fractionating column, just like question is asking, explain construction and working of fractionating column. Then the diagram of fractionating column is as shown in figure. The process of fractional distillation of separation of miscible component by the process of repeated boiling of solution followed by condensation of vapor. In fractionating column, there is a repeated boiling and so repeated condensation of vapor is occur, and thus at every stage vapor becomes richer and richer or more volatile component, and residue becomes richer in less volatile component, and it remains at the bottom of the fractionating column. Finally, two components are separated. Thus batch type separation is time consuming, laborious process. So to avoid this batch type laborious process, fractionating column is used, because in fractionating column the repeated boiling distillation occurs at the same time. Then we are going to see construction. The fractionating column consists of the steel tank, and which is the column D is fitted with the number of plates, and each plate have a bubble cap. Here seen the bubble cap V1, V2, V3, V4. This is the bubble cap, and through which the vapor can pass. For every plate, overflow tube is attached, and then at the bottom of fractionating column, heating coil is fitted and condenser is fitted. At the bottom, heating coil is fitted and one condenser is fitted above, and then the removing valve, then the non-volatile components finally remove from this valve, and then the condenser if fitted, the column are for condensation of vapor. Then application, in petroleum industry, various fractions like petrol, diesel, kerosene and number of petroleum products are separated from the crude oil at different level of fractionating column at the same time. In laboratory also the separation of the organic mixture by using fractionating column. Then we are going to see the working in liquid mixture to be the fractionating the separation to allow to enter the column through side tube E and middle part of the column, and then the collected at the plate and excess of liquid pass through the overflow tube finally reaches to the bottom of the fractionating column, and liquid is heated by heating coil, and when liquid is converted into vapor phase, they are ascending, descending on every plate. It come in contact with the ascending vapor of liquid through the bubble cap. At every stage there is a distribution of component in two phases. Therefore, less volatile component vapor is condensed and more volatile component is evaporated. Move upward to next plate and same procedure is repeated, and then finally the more volatile component is condensed and separate out, and then vapor at the top reaches in more volatile component, and then less volatile component is collected at the bottom and is removed through the wall, and then efficiency of fractionating column is expressed in theoretical number of plates. Large number of plates, that is having a high efficiency, and then time required to separate the components of mixture completely. In laboratory, the fractionating column is very small in size, while in industry the length of fractionating column is 10 meter to 1000 meters. 1000 meters. Then we are going to discuss the partially miscible liquid pairs has the maximum critical solution temperature. Maximum critical solution temperature. Suppose the partially miscible liquid pair becomes completely miscible above the certain temperature, just like phenol water system, aniline water system. Then consider the partially miscible liquid pairs, phenol water system. The different mixture of the phenol and water are prepared, known percentage of phenol in water, then observed at the temperature. You have get the homogeneous phase or mutual solubility. You have get the single phase, then lower layer of solution water in phenol and upper layer in the solution phenol in water, and then two layers are separated by boundary, and it is known as a conjugated solution. And then with increase in temperature, mutual solubility increases. Thus, for given composition of weight percent of phenol in solution, higher temperature is found out at which the two layers are completely soluble into each other. Then plot the graph temperature versus percentage of phenol, and the nature of graph is a dome shape, and then point B is known as a critical solution temperature. And then the graph is dome shape. Inside the graph, two layers are separated. Separate heterogeneous phase is occur. Outside the graph, there is a two liquid are completely miscible into each other, means you get the homogeneous phase. And then the temperature at which two partially miscible liquid pair become completely miscible is known as maximum critical solution temperature or upper consolidate temperature. And then the upper consolidate temperature or the maximum critical solution temperature for water phenol system is 68.5 degree centigrade.